Build this before life tests you. The Emergency Fund Blueprint. It was a normal day, nothing special, nothing unusual, until the call came. A hospital bill, an emergency, something no one planned for. And in that moment, everything changed. Not because the problem was too big, but because there was no money to handle it. Pause. Silence. Now let me ask you something. If life hits you like that today, are you ready? Or will you be forced to borrow, beg, or break? Because here's the truth nobody likes to hear. Life doesn't warn you before it tests you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to build something powerful. A financial shield that protects you. A system that keeps you calm in chaos. A plan that gives you control when life feels out of control. This is not just about money. This is about survival, stability, and peace. 2. The reality. Most people ignore. Let's be honest. Most people are not prepared. Not because they don't work hard, but because they are living on the edge. Money comes in. Money goes out. Nothing stays. You see someone smiling today, but one emergency, just one, can push them into debt for years. And the painful part, it's avoidable, because the problem is not income. The problem is lack of preparation. We prepare for weddings. We prepare for parties. We prepare for celebrations. But we don't prepare for problems. And when problems come, they don't ask for permission. 3. What an emergency fund really is. Forget the complicated definitions. Let me explain it in a way you'll never forget. An emergency fund is your don't panic money. It's the money that says, relax, I've got this. You don't need to borrow. You're safe. It's not for enjoyment. It's not for flexing. It's not for impulse. It's for moments when life says, let's see how prepared you are. And without it, you're forced into debt stress, desperation. But with it, you respond, not react. 4. The silent danger. Let me tell you something most people don't realize. Being broke is not always loud. Sometimes, it's quiet. You look fine. You act fine. But inside, you're one problem away from collapse. That is dangerous, because it creates a false sense of security. Until reality hits. And when it does, it doesn't hit gently. That's why building an emergency fund is not optional. It's necessary. 5. The breakthrough plan. This section is deeper, more emotional, more structured. Step 1. Face your reality. Stop pretending. Look at your situation honestly. How much do you earn? How much do you spend? What do you actually have saved? Clarity is power. You can't fix what you don't face. Step 2. Start before you're ready. This is where most people fail. They wait. I'll start when I have enough. No. Start when it feels uncomfortable. Even $2, even $5. Because starting changes everything. Step 3. Build a no-touch zone. Your emergency fund must feel different. It must feel untouchable. Not in your main account. Not where you can easily spend it. Create distance, because distance creates discipline. Step 4. Turn small into powerful. Never underestimate small money. $5 today, $5 tomorrow. Becomes something real over time. Consistency beats intensity. Step 5. Grow your capacity. Let's be honest. You can't save your way out of poverty alone. You must increase your income. Learn something valuable. Start something small. Improve your skills, because more income equals more control. 6. The mistakes that destroy progress. Let's talk about what can ruin everything. Treating your emergency fund like spending money, using it for convenience instead of necessity, not replacing what you take. Giving up too early, and the biggest mistake, thinking small actions don't matter. They do. Every single one. 7. The story that changes everything. 2 people, same city, same income. Person A, no savings, emergency happens, panic, borrowing, stress. Person B built a small emergency fund, same problem, but calm. No pressure, no begging, no fear. The difference is not luck, it's preparation. 8. Final message. One day, you will face a moment that tests you. Not maybe, definitely. And when that day comes, you will either say, I wish I prepared, or I'm glad I did. The choice is yours. 9. Powerful CTA. Don't just watch this, act on it. Start today, even if it's small. Type this in the comments, I choose to be prepared, and mean it. Like, subscribe, share, because peace of mind is the real wealth.